Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to answer the question, who is a seeker? There are three types of people over here. The first type is known as theists. Theists are those who are accepting the existence of God and they follow God. The other type is atheists. They are just opposite of the theists. They don't accept the existence of God and they don't follow God. They don't believe in God. They don't believe in the existence of God or any kind of divine being. Now, the third category is there, those who are seekers. Now, if we go further, almost 50% people are theists. Almost less than 50% people are atheists. Only a small group of people are belonging to seekers. Now, the first group, theists, they simply accept the existence of God and they consider that all their problems will be solved by God. They do worships, they repeat mantras, they do japas, thinking that all their problems will be solved by the God. Now, the other category, atheists, they don't believe in any kind of God. They simply refuse the existence of God. Now, what we consider these two people, theists and atheists, they belong to the same category. As far as life is concerned, they are one and the same. They are the two sides of the same coin. Accepting God or not accepting God do not make any difference as far as ourselves is concerned. They belong to the same category. Now, we belong to the third category, that is seekers. Seekers are authentic people. They are interested in what is existing here. They are directly in contact with life. Their concern is only life. Because what is life? No need to believe or not to believe. It is here and now. So we can feel what life is. We don't want anybody to make us understand about life because we are in touch with life. We are within this great existence. That is the reality. Through this actuality, we may one time achieve or attain truth. To seek something is arduous. That's why people avoid being a seekers. They simply accept whatever being told, that follow this God or that God, or don't accept God. Seeking is very, very difficult. It needs a depth of mind. A seeker is a unique person. He is a sincere person. He is like a scientist. He is very intense. He is in search of the reality of the life. The core principle that is underlying the existence, he is interested in that. He does not accept what has been told or what has been written. He examines, explores. If something is right, he accepts. If it is not right, then simply he rejects it. So one must have courage to have such a kind of mental state. That's why generally people avoid to be a seeker. People are interested to be followers or not followers. Generally we find these two categories dominating the world. The seeker is only interested in the goodness of life. he is really a rebellion. He goes inside. Is there any reality of life he finds in himself? His only method is observation. Actually, observation is a scientific method. It seems observation is very difficult, but seeker is very sincere. That's why he is well aware of about his seeking. Seeking is the most important aspect of his life. Whatever he finds as true, he accepts. He is not after falsehood. Whatever holds, he accepts. He is interested in the meditative process. Meditative process does not belong to any organized religion. This is common to anybody. It is not necessary that a seeker must have faith in God. He may not belong to any tradition. He does not need any tradition or rituals or ceremonies to follow. He is unique in himself. He explores. He is independent of all the said things. So by that, one day he may go beyond the known. That is the authentic way of seeking. His seeking is authentic. He goes after it and finds the truth. It is said that for truth we can sacrifice anything. So he is ready to sacrifice anything for the sake of truth. And one day he will be able to find what is truth. Truth is that matters. That is the purpose of a seeker. Seeker is a original human being. He does not want to be a second-hand human being. Hence, the seeker is the original and authentic human being. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another aspect of life.